very dark black cloud following closely behind me. So, wish me luck. Crazy. We're out here in between storms, like a completely loaded down cooler, tents under there, tripod, fishing gear, me. Hopefully it can maintain its balance. I'm a little bit worried about it, but I think we'll be okay. Now we get across the main body of the lake, and hopefully everybody sees us to get to the islands where the beaches are. So, see you when we get over there. Hi guys, I think we found home for the night. Got my own private beach, fire pit. I'd say this is a huge win, huge win. All right, time to get set up. Tell you what, I'm done with this. Getting the water. It's hot. Beautiful. All right, we made it. We're out here. I'm gonna sleep horribly because that's not even a sleeping pad and it's very rocky out here. I tried to clear as much as I could, but yep, probably not gonna sleep that awesome, but that's okay. Gonna use my life jacket as a pillow, some snacks. Let's go get some firewood. So at least get it started. Well, it's not that dry. It looks drier than a fart, but it's not. It'll work. It's gonna burn real fast. Jesus, those are big waves. Let me go check on the boat. That one's wet. That one's pretty dry. Please don't step on a snake. You would be so fucked. Do I need a fire tonight? No. Do I want a fire tonight? Yeah, you bet your ass. You know what I should have brought that I didn't? I didn't even bring like a little hatchet or an axe or anything. I guess I can break it over my knee or bang it against a tree. I don't know. First world problems. I don't give a damn. Let's go check out our private beach. Oh, that's nice. Amazing. The water feels great right now. So I'm gonna kind of bathe off a little bit. Holy fucking farmer's tan, Travo. Jesus. Can't use this footage. You know what? I got to thinking about it. I'm very self-conscious with my shirt off, but I don't really care. It's my channel. I'll do whatever I want. Something you guys don't know about me at this point is I've actually had melanoma, which is skin cancer. 1, 2, 3, like four times. I've got scars all over me from having to have these things removed, and they were, they were malignant melanomas, so that means they were absolutely cancerous. So that's why you don't see me with my shirt off a lot. pretty self-conscious about my scars and about how I'm built. I'm not exactly a bodybuilder, and it kind of shows. But you know what? I'm 36 years old. I'm alive. I'm out here. I mean, look where I'm at. Come on. I don't care. Nobody else cares. It's all about positivity, right? Life is good. Life is very good. Wear sunscreen. Gotta say that. I don't think sun caused what I have. So I have what's called a dysplastic nevus syndrome, which basically means that all these moles that I have on my body, which didn't show up until honestly later in life. I mean, I was in my mid-20s when all this started happening, and it's not really caused by sun irritation. The sun can exaggerate the rate in which it grows, but it doesn't cause it per se. So, irregardless, I digress. Wear sunscreen, but who cares, man? Who cares what you look like? It doesn't matter. Nobody gives a shit. I don't give a shit. Alright guys, starting to get kinda dark. Got a fire going. It's a little bit bigger than I had hoped. That's what she said. Sorry, had to. It's rocking. It's 1 a.m. Trying to sleep. My camp's right there. And this boat is just rocking. Good morning. Man, it's windy out here. Didn't sleep much. There were some armadillos infiltrating my perimeter. That's okay though.
Let's sleep down at the lonely lake.
Beautiful.
Before summer has gone away.
Alright. Just get packed up, head out.
Swim out under a broken sky. Cold sun colored with shades of white.